What are we doing, Bee? Veronica, what do you have?
I have
Come here, come show JJ.
have the same Christmas trees, hats, stars, here's a star, a nice star.
What's that?
That's a hammer.
What do you do with the hammer? And what's that? Is that your princesses? Be careful, it's gonna fall. Here, you want to come put it on the table over here? Here, we'll move the cake and stuff off of it. Oh, okay. Which one's in there right now?
Bill,
Oh, put Belle in there.
do you want to help her?
Oh, okay. Okay, hold on. Let me see. Okay. Oh, okay. How do you do it? There we go.
No, that's Cinderella.
No, ma'am, it's not. This is Belle. How does this work? There we go.
No, that's Sleepy Beauty.
No, ma'am, it's Belle. Here, you want to skip that one? That's fine. See, it's Belle.
Here's Bill. Cool.
Yeah.
Oh no, you need Ariel.
We need Ariel.
You need Ariel.
You want Ariel instead? Okay. Okay. Oh. Oh. No, all right. Now what do we need?
We need Cinderella.
Oh, okay.
Cinderella.
You want JJ to do it? See if we can find a song.
No, Cinderella.
No, hold on. You gotta put it back on. Yep. Push it back on there. There you go. Now close.
How does it work?
You have to press this one. There you go. Cool, huh?
That's Bill.
No, that's Cinderella, babe. See? Look at. If you pop it open, look at. See, that's Cinderella. Ouch! Oh, don't close it on my finger. You silly goose.
That's a ham.
A what? What's that?
Ham.